Hi, this is Mr. Cotton here, and I'm going to show you how to upload a PowerPoint to OpenLMS Blackboard. Alright, so this is a submission link that I created for my students to upload their PowerPoints over. We were doing a project over in Newsella, basically using an article and making a PowerPoint about some interesting facts and things that we found, including pictures. So, to upload your PowerPoint, first thing you have to make sure is that you have your PowerPoint saved, okay? So when you hit File, which is right here, you want to go to Save As right here. And then there are multiple ways you can do this. Now, if you are using your iPad for my kids at school, you can just hit Save As a copy online, and it'll save for you automatically. But that's not going to be the way you want to upload it, all right? What you want to do is you want to hit download a copy, okay? Download a copy to your computer. Now to download it. Now as you can see, I have it downloaded right here on my computer, all right? Once again, I hit File, Save As, Download a Copy, and it'll download right to my computer, all right? If I hit Save As a Copy online, I have to name it. I have to save it to my documents, which is here. And I hit Save right there. And it will save it online, which I can find in my Outlook account and class link, which is right here, okay? Now, I can share this link, copy this link, or download it to share. Like I say, there's multiple ways you can share this, all right? So, first way, if you download it like this, it'll download just as I did before right here, right? It'll come up as a different name, but it will still be downloaded. But I'm going to go ahead and delete that for now because I don't need that. All right. Now, first way you can do it. When you're in your assignment category right here, you click on this. Oh, I have to change my view to student. All right, there we go. You want to hit Add Submission, okay? Now when you hit Add Submission, you want to click in this box right here. If you're on your computer and you already have downloaded, you can just drag this to right here and it will add. Or you can just click on it as it opens up as such, hit Choose File. Okay. I saved this to my downloads, so I'm going to go to my downloads, which is here right here for me. Once I click on it, I'm going to name it. And then I'm going to upload this file. Okay, and as you can see, it is uploaded for me right here. Okay, then I will just hit Save Changes. And see, now it is uploaded for me. Okay, and then I want to hit the Submit Assignment button just to make sure that it is submitted. So I will submit. It's telling me that once I submit it, I cannot make any changes. I'm going to hit Continue. And now it is submitted. Okay? That is how you upload a PowerPoint if you have downloaded it to your computer. Okay? Thank you for watching.